Today, I'll show you how to make an order form on Google Forms. If you want a simple way to collect product orders, service requests, or booking details online, Google Forms can work really well for that. Google says, Forms lets you create forms with different question types, collect email addresses, share the form with responders, and review responses in real time. That makes it a practical option for a basic order form, especially if your main goal is to gather customer details and item selections in one place. To get started, open Google Forms and create a blank form. Give it a clear title such as Order Form, Product Order Form, or Service Request Form. Then add the basic customer fields first. A typical setup would include name, email address, phone number, delivery address, and any special instructions. Google's Forms help shows that you can build forms with different question types and also turn on collect email addresses in the form settings if you want to automatically capture the customer's email. Next, add the actual order questions. For example, use multiple choice or drop-down for product options, checkboxes if customers can pick more than one item, and short answer or paragraph for notes like size, color, or custom requests. This is usually the easiest way to keep the form organized and easy to fill out. If you sell several products, you can also group the form into sections so it feels cleaner and easier to follow. Google Forms supports multiple question types and section-based form structure for exactly this kind of setup. Now here's one important thing to understand. Google Forms is great for collecting order information, but it does not have built-in native payment processing. Google's own Forms materials focus on collecting responses, and Google support discussions also point users to third-party tools or external payment methods when payments are needed. So, if you want customers to pay, the usual workaround is to add a payment link in the confirmation message after submission, or send payment instructions separately by email. After that, open the Settings tab and adjust a few important options. Turn on Collect email addresses if you want each order tied to an email. You can also customize the confirmation message so the customer sees something like, "Thanks for your order. We'll review it and send payment details shortly." Google says both email collection and confirmation message editing are built into the form settings. Once your form is ready, go to the Responses tab to track incoming orders. Google says you can review responses directly in the form, and you can also link the form to Google Sheets if you want a spreadsheet view for easier order management. That is especially useful when you start getting multiple orders and need a simple way to sort names, items, and addresses. So, in simple terms, the best Google Forms order form usually includes customer information, product selection questions, optional notes, email collection, and a clear confirmation message. And if you need payment, the safest built-in approach is to use forms for the order details and then send people to an outside payment method afterward, because Google Forms itself is mainly designed for collecting responses, not processing checkout. And that's how to make an order form on Google Forms. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.